Hey guys, it's Alex, back again with another case review for the iPhone 11 Pro. So we've got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pros right here. So we got their midnight green colorway, and we've got their blue colorway. So let's start off with the blue one, and later on we'll put the green one on just to see how it looks for colors. So here is my 11 Pro, so I got the Inquries Fusion X on it. So let's get started with the blue one. So it comes with this little belt clip, and it comes with an installation guide. So this also has a thin plastic layer on top. Usually I just pop those out and throw a screen protector on, just because I don't usually like these because I feel like they don't protect the phone as well. That's my opinion. So currently I'm not rocking a screen protector on my 11 Pro, but that's just for now. So let's pop that into the case and see how it looks. I also think I forgot to take off the little clear protector, but that's okay. So let's get this part removed right now. So there we go. We popped that bad boy in the case. So I've actually ended up using this case on other phones of mine. Like, I've used it on the iPhone 10, so it's not my first hurrah with this case, but it is a little challenging to put on, but there we go. This is sort of like an OtterBox style case, if you can't tell. So let's feel those buttons. It's got some pretty tactile buttons, personally, and it's pretty protective. It's got that full, so what I said is I usually pop out these little plastic screen protectors and put on my own, just because I don't usually like rocking those. So this case has got a stand. You can prop up your phone with it, and it's got your power button, your plus and minus buttons, and a little mute switch cover right here for the mute switch. Now let's compare it to another case. So let's compare it to the Fusion X from Inquries. So this is one of my all-time favorites right here, the Inquries Fusion X. But so what I like is what Inquries did is they have symmetrical cutouts. So as you can see here, this has like a full cutout to match the other side, but this is symmetrical. This is actually the real size, so it's like they made it so it matches the actual phone. I like that a lot more than I feel like it looks better. So overall, pretty nice case. Let's just get that feel. Pretty good feeling. It's not as thick as an OtterBox, but it'll protect your phone like an OtterBox. So huge shout out to Supcase for sending these out, but this is the UB Pro in blue. So moving on, we're going to throw on the green one just for looks and see how the color looks on the phone. So this is the green phone, so I bet this won't look bad. So it's the same process basically to put it on and off. It's a pretty difficult case to put on or get off. I mean, well, putting it on is much harder than taking it off. So protective plastic, you got to peel that off. And let's pop that in the case. Let's move the other stuff out of the side. Let's see how the green looks on the 11 Pro. So what I can tell is this green is actually a different shade than the 11 Pro in midnight green. I really don't like that contrast there. I definitely think black would be much better. But it feels the same. Overall, looks the same. Not much different, just in green. So that's pretty much it for this case review of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.